Hey, what's going on, everybody? Thank you so much for checking into the Rocky Mountain YouTube channel. My name is Chase, and today we're showing you the Metric on-the-go toolkit from Assault Industries. So Assault makes really good UTV products, and they put this toolkit together for the UTV enthusiast that wants a good toolkit that's nice and lightweight and compact, that's gonna have all of your most commonly used Metric tools. So if you've been after just a one-stop shop toolkit, this could be a really good option for you. But I will say that after going through and looking at this and just seeing all the tools that come included, which we'll get there and show you, there's a lot more uses for this than just UTVs. You could use this in your truck, you could have it in your car, you could have it in the garage, you could take this even with you for dirt biking as well. So a lot of great uses for it. And some of the features before we unroll this and show you that we like is that this thing is nice and compact. So there's a 62-piece toolkit inside here, and here's what we like is you've got the tool roll made from nice heavy-duty fabric, but you got your handle here. I just like how easily you could take this from vehicle to vehicle. If you have it in your garage, you're going out for a ride and you're side-by-side, you grab it, you can throw it in there. So you got your two big straps here on, or your buckles in the front, but they give you enough length with these straps that you could actually put this around your roll cage also. You can put this anywhere you want to, but you've got a lot of different options. I just like how easy it is to grab this thing and take it with you wherever you might be going. If maybe you're going out with a friend, they don't have a toolkit, you just grab this thing and take it with you. So very easy to transport. Another thing that we like about this, and when I first read this on the bullet points, I didn't think it'd be that big of a deal, but I like it, it's quiet. So when you have this, you know, wherever you might be using it, it's quiet. You're not gonna have tools just bouncing around inside here. So that is something that I do like about this setup. All right, so let's open this thing up, unroll it, and show you everything that comes included inside here. Now with this open, so you can buy tool rolls by themselves, but once you buy a tool roll, you gotta go buy all the tools and then kind of figure out how you wanna organize it. What I like about this setup is, like I already mentioned, every single tool inside here has a designated location. So it's very easy for you to keep everything organized, everything is nice and compact. So overall, just how it all goes together, they did a great job. These tools, super high quality. When you put these things in your hand, you can tell they're really well built. You have a limited lifetime warranty with these as well. And what I like, we talked about it earlier, right here you have your socket rail that's got its own zipper compartment, which is nice. So your sockets are gonna stay in a secured location. But with this, like I said, they're not trying to shock and awe you by having, you know, way too many tools that you're probably never gonna use. This is going to just come with all the basic, most commonly used tools that you're gonna use that are Metric. So again, that's what we really like about it. It's just everything that you're gonna need. So if you are shopping for just a really good toolkit that has everything you need, a couple things you would wanna keep in mind with this for UTVs specifically is there's not a belt changing tool inside here. So if you want to put one of those inside here, you could. You do have a little bit of wiggle room, so if maybe like zip ties, some other smaller items you want to put inside here, you could have room for those items. But overall, this thing's just rock solid. It's well built. You know, it is expensive, you're about 350 bucks, but for what you're getting, for the quality of the tools, we think it's a really good toolkit. So if you've been shopping for something like this, that's gonna come with, you know, just about everything that you would need for most jobs on Metric, then this thing is killer. If you do have questions or comments though, we would love to get those answered. So make sure to leave those in the comment section below. To grab yours today, it is simple. Click on the link or head over to RockyMountainATVMC.com. These are gonna ship for free. All orders over 75 bucks do. And if you like this video, get subscribed to the Rocky Mountain YouTube channel, hit that notification bell, and that way you always stay up to date. I'm Chase, and we'll see you on the trails.